Okay, here we are again. Lights back on. Actually been a few days since we've been in the shop, so time to figure out where we last left you guys at. Oh yeah, got attempt number 2 at that valve cover. So anyhow, as you guys can see, we got the fire going right in there. Shop's warming up nice and toasty bit by bit. So goal is hopefully we can get that, we will get that valve cover painted and looking back to what it was, painted and clear coat. And then around here we will put that steering shaft in place, although we got some, still gotta get to that someday. We need some tubing that size and sort that out, and might get some plumbing here. Whole bunch of mites. Instead of mites, I'm just gonna get going to work, and I'll explain as I get going. So anyhow, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Cheers. Have you guys saw we did use the high heat primer for paint? We got this exhaust header paint, high heat. It is a matte black, but hopefully the gloss clear brings it shiny. So, well, I don't know. Experiment. We'll kind of see. And whether it does or not, at least I know down the road if I see a Jurassic Jeep and I pop the hood, might be able to tell if it's mine or not by the valve cover. Well, probably just because I'm going to sand my fins a little bit shinier. And there'll be a whole bunch of little things that'll be able to tell it's mine. But anyhow, let's get her painted. Well, feels good. You can see we got some steering again. We still got a whole lot of, yeah, there's some stuff going on in there. Definitely have to take that off at some point, but we're still working on the front here. So at some point we'll get to that. Not sure when. Hopefully this year at some point. So anyhow, time off to the next thing. Cheers. here we are again, following day. I'd like to do some more work on the Jeep today, but unfortunately, look outside. Yeah, I gotta go shovel some snow for the second time today. It's been snowing like crazy, so anyhow, I guess I'll wrap up this video right here, but I'd say we've done enough for this week. Got our valve cover looking all nice and pretty again. This time we got the primer, high heat primer, high heat black paint, and get some high heat clear coat on there too, so it should be good. Mind you, the high heat paint was not our issue. I think could have done with regular paint, but anyhow, fail safe should be good. And you can see right there, we got some steering again, so that's definitely a bonus in my mind. Got our brake booster and everything all painted, so that's looking nice and pretty. Got our down there, got our clutch fender all back in place, so that's looking nice and pretty, and a few more bits and pieces. So bit by bit, we're getting there, my friends, like that. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither was this Jurassic Park Jeep built. So anyhow, until next week, thanks for watching, everybody. Always appreciate it. Remember to live, and cheers.